Hello and welcome to this tutorial in which we're going to see how to solve trigonometric equations using the calculator. That's, for example, can be in a paper 2 for the IB standard level. Now, in the calculator you have many ways of solving an equation. One can be, for example, in the first menu you can put like as this is a trigonometric equation, you can put the inverse of the sign, like sine to the -1, shift sign, and then off the value that you are asked, 0.521, and that can give you one answer, 0.548. Remember that value. But that will only work for the first value of this range. You have a range of values. It is more than one period for the sine function. So this will have many solutions, not only one. And when you do it in this menu, it only gives you one solution. So this is not the best option. Another option that you have is going to the equation solver. This is a solver because it's not simultaneous or polynomial, so go to solver. And here you can write the equation again, like the sine of x equals, remember that the equals is shift point, and your result 0.521. And if you press execute, remember that you have to press it twice, okay? You have the same answer, look, 0.548, but again, this is only one answer because the equation solver stops when it finds one answer. But inside this range, I'm sure that you will have more than one answer, okay? So the best option is go to the menu for graphs, input this part of the equation, like the sine of x only, sine of x, and then input what is in the other side of the equal sign, in this case 0.521. We are plotting this like two different functions, so we are going to see the intersections between the functions will be where they meet, will be there where they are the same. That will be the solutions of the equation. So execute and draw them, please. Draw them, and you will see that you have many intersections. But this range that goes from 0 to 7 pi is not accurate here, as this is not going from 0 to 7 pi, it's going from a negative number. So we must arrange that. How do we do it? With a view window. So go to view window by pressing F3, and the minimum value for the x can be 0, so you put a 0 there. The maximum value is 7 pi, so you can put 7 pi's with this shift exponent for the pi's. This is 7 pi, 21.99 is 7 times 5. And then don't worry about scale, don't worry about dot, don't worry about the y. But if you want, think of that the sine function has a maximum of 1 and a minimum of -1. So if you put something like -2 and 2, you see the whole function. That's a good way of doing it. Then execute and draw. Once that you draw, you will see that you have many solutions. But now all these solutions are inside the range in which you are asked. So now find the intersections by pressing F5, so that G-solve button there, F5, and then you have many options, but intersection is the one that you want. So F5 again, and you will have not only the first solution, that is the one that we've seen before, but if you move with the arrow, you will have all the intersections that are all the possible solutions, like this one, this one, this one, this one. You see all the possible solutions to that equation. Okay? In this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 solutions. So the best option for trigonometric equations is going to the graph menu. Okay? Plotting this part of the equation, this part of the equation, draw them and find the intersection. Don't forget to make it more accurate with a view window for the range. Okay? Bye bye. See you. That's it.